Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. Now let's look at Kapalabhati. All the details about this practice is given in your guide, so make sure you refer there. Here I'm only going to demonstrate the practical part of it. So for Kapalabhati or any meditative or any pranayama practice can be done in any meditative asana of your choice. I'm going to demonstrate in Swastikasana. Kapalabhati is nothing but you're blowing out the air from your throat, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do that, and you're going to feel that air coming out. Your navel is going to be sucked in, and you're going to throw out the air. You're going to push the air out from your system. So I'm going to show from Swastikasana. This is Swastikasana, meditative asana. So for this, actually use Drona Mudra so that you can control or you hold your body when you are throwing the air out. Because you're going to feel a little bit jerk in this practice. Do not worry. It's very natural. So it's very normal. Don't get scared. And make sure your back is straight. You're not slouching because when you're going to throw the air out, your system should not feel the pressure, okay? You should not feel any pain in your lower back. When you practice, it should be very, very natural. Do the cycles only to those number where you feel comfortable. Do not try to exceed your comfort level. With practice, of course, you're going to reach maximum possible cycles. So I'm going to demonstrate just few cycles here. You can just go back and look at the video constantly to understand in depth. Breathe in and out. Now breathe in and just start pushing the air out. Your navel is getting sucked in. And you should be covering about 30 cycles in one breath. And with practice, it can go maximum like 100, 120. Some people can also achieve 200. So with practice, you'll achieve that. Do not rush. Be true to your body. And happy practicing.